Welcome back to the channel. I'm Hank Strange. This is StrangerPalooza. This is Nick Schmidt
your
of
microphone,
Sunshine
Hank.
State RVs. Okay.
Check, check.
So we are here at the 2025 Elkhart Open House in Indiana.
Indiana.
We are in the Forest River
Big,
overall their booth.
Big Forest River display. Everything new they came out with this year. Everything that, I mean, really cool stuff.
Yes, and specifically we're here at Dynamax, which Sunshine State RV carries.
We do.
Yes, and you're kind of excited about what you see.
Some pretty cool stuff. I mean, I don't know if you can notice behind us, but
nice color.
They have some stuff that's pretty neat. We're
this
not
is
gonna,
hooked up for me over here. This
I mean,
is this
how,
6 or
no,
5?
this is the Isata 5 Extreme Edition.
Yeah.
That is the coolest paint package I've ever seen in an RV.
Yeah. Let's go take a look.
Have you ever seen anything like it?
It looks awesome. I love it.
So I don't know, what do you call this color?
So I'm not sure. It's kind of like a desert mud. I don't know.
Desert Mojave.
Yeah. So here's your. If anyone wants to get some details, we'll just hover over that for a second.
So this does have the Extreme package, which I love, which is the buck stop, the liquid springs.
Yeah.
I mean, all of the cool stuff.
Yeah.
But I just
a 5500.
A Ram 5500 diesel 4x4. It's about 32 foot long.
Yeah.
I mean, this thing is just, this is the baddest thing Dynamax makes. I mean, the absolute baddest thing. It's so unique and cool looking.
Is this in the Super C category?
This is, yes, expedition truck.
Okay. Yeah.
You know, we've had these. We've done videos on these.
Yes,
it's kind of like the hilt. And they even do the bumper now. I don't know if they did the bumper last year, but this is like an upgraded bumper, which is
I like
cool.
what they're doing here.
And then you know what's neat about it is the inside is the same as all the other Dynamax Isata 5s. They really extreme out the outside of it, which is cool.
So let's go through what's here real quick, and then we will.
They got another,
maybe we'll talk to someone who knows.
They have another brand new unit that they're releasing today, actually. So we're gonna
right up your alley.
Right up our alley. Yes.
So where you want to start? You want to go in here? Let me take this from you.
Well, that's the microphone.
You have a microphone on you.
Oh, I have a microphone.
You don't need this. We'll get in trouble.
No, we don't need to go do like a super deep thing, but
don't get us kicked out over this.
Some things that are cool about this, Lola, are insulated big storage compartments. I mean, lithium batteries, tons of solar. They also have a generator. They have the liquid springs is something that it's like a jack system, but with the leveling, you don't actually need jacks. It levels it out no matter where you are, which is really neat.
Yeah, I remember the if you drive without that, like if you have that in off-road but you're on the road, you want to switch into road.
Correct. So just real quick, just showing it, the inside looks like, or is, a normal Dynamax Isata 5. You got theater chairs, a dinette, king size bed, lots of storage, big bathroom, a bunk,
extra bed
there, extra bed here, extra bed in the back, huge bathroom. So lots. I mean, all of the stuff you would normally expect from a Dynamax.
I think when people talk to us about wanting to live full time on the road and then be fully comfortable. This is what you imagine. This is what you need to get. If you can't, like, I enjoy a van.
A lot of people live full time in a van.
Yeah, I enjoy it. But if you want all the luxuries, people ask me this, Nick.
Do they?
Remember the bathroom thing? Someone asked me about the bathroom.
Just like on your Tesla, you have to have full self-driving or it's useless to you.
True. This is true.
I mean, you have to have a 60-inch TV in your RV or it's useless to you, right? Hank?
Yeah. How many TVs are in this thing? At least
two. One there and one in the back.
No, this is very cool.
Isn't it cool?
This is awesome. If you really want full size, but you can get down the road and all that.
What really grabbed my attention was the outside of this thing. I mean, this is like, if you're driving this thing, you're going to get 100 people at every gas station stopping you and asking you about it.
So are you going to get this one? I'm sure you can get it if people want to order it, but you'll have one?
Yep.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we're going to. I just told them that we want one.
Yeah.
Something else that's pretty cool, we'll just kind of pan over to it and look at it. The new Isata 6, which is this one. They just released this. This is on the Ford chassis. So it's on the Ford F600. The other one is on the Dodge 5500.
So this is the first time they're doing a Ford chassis?
Yep,
cool.
A Ford
for all the Ford
F600. There's a lot of them. You're one of them.
Yeah.
F600 4x4. Same type of floor plan, same type of stuff that they'll make optional on this as they do the Isata 5. This is the Isata 6. It's no bigger. It's either 31 KS.
Is there a different floor plan here for this one?
Same floor plan.
Okay.
30 FW, 31 KS.
Okay, let's take a quick look, just for the people.
Okay.
Come on, Lola.
And you can put liquid springs on it. It doesn't necessarily have it. I actually, my opinion, Hank, I like these colors better. So this one has a TV in a different spot.
Oh yeah.
Kind of, you know, opposing dinette.
This is a more earthy tone. Love it.
With the theater chairs. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Theater chairs here, which are nice. Whenever I'm at these conventions, I always find the most comfortable theater chairs.
And then you just chill. Especially when it's raining.
When it's raining, when I need to check my email or my wife calls.
Or you're just hiding.
Or I'm just hiding. I love these comfy theater chairs. Nice big bed in the back, big bathroom.
Yeah. The sink is over on the opposite side here.
That fridge might be bigger than my house fridge.
Yeah. Once again, big bathroom. So someone did ask me this, and they said, "Oh, I want to see bigger bathrooms."
Yeah. Well, that means,
and you know,
that's insane. That bathroom is insane.
Compared to a van.
Compared to a van.
This is palatial.
Yeah. So palatial, I like that.
Yeah.
Was that the word of the day?
Yes. There you go.
Palatial.
And like you said, look at this fridge. It has 3 doors.
It's bigger than the fridge in my house, I think.
Is this one locked somewhere?
Might be.
There you go.
3 doors. Well,
that's nuts.
2 doors and a drawer.
And a drawer. How crazy is that?
Insane.
Yeah. No, so this is the Isata 6. You know, this has the Firefly, it has the slide outs, it has double induction, it has the lifts, it has the
like this layout.
It's great.
Right?
I like the front. So you know, having the bed separate in the back, nice big kitchen area, big bathroom, but I really like having the opposing area here. So if you do have, you know, 2 or 3, 4 kids like I do, you got a, you know, husband and wife, you know, the whole family can be sitting and just hanging out here, which I think is really neat.
Yeah.
I like it a lot. Big wall size. So this whole thing's a slide.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, this including this cooking area, right?
The whole thing's one big slide.
Oh. Yeah. The whole galley, everything moves up.
I like their lighting, how they do lighting underneath and in the kind of just, you know, little things really make it big.
Full size microwave, everything in here, man.
All right.
Very nice. Okay, cool.
The people are waiting to see the brand new. What do you always call it? The brand new hotness?
Yes. Brand new hotness.
When was the last time he said that about you, Lola? The brand new hotness.
Lola is the full-time hotness.
Full-time hotness.
Full-time hotness, yeah.
All right, so
now
we're passing.
Now that you've pressured me into that, thank you very much.
Tell everybody.
Yeah.
Tell everybody.
How you doing?
So this is their brand new.
If you guys are missing this thing from your booth,
it's because I stole it.
This guy.
So this is their brand new Sprinter van. This is a Sprinter all-wheel drive.
Yeah.
Doug. Look at my Lola. I want you to introduce Doug to everybody. This is Doug Schroeder.
Hey, Doug.
Hello. Doug is the Dynamax rep.
Let's mic him up.
Oh, there you
go. So you guys can talk. Here we go. I'll just put this on real quick. Go for it.
Perfect. All right, so Doug.
Hopefully this is it. There you go, Doug.
Doug is the most knowledgeable person about Dynamaxes in the world, I think. At least my world.
I appreciate that, Nick.
So this is the first time you guys are doing.
This
what
is
this,
a prototype.
B+?
This is a absolutely a B+. That's simple, straightforward, going back to basics. Everything in this coach, first of all, it's fiberglass on the outside and fiberglass on the inside.
I love that. I noticed that when I walked in. I love that about it.
There's no seam, so there's no chance of leaks.
Oh, okay.
Ooh, I like that.
So you're building a van the way that you build everything else.
Well, this thing is a little bit more than everything else. First of all, it's all-wheel drive. Okay. It's a for the adventure type person. And take a look at this storage in the back over here. This is worth taking a look at right over here with a tremendous amount of storage with the different locations where you can hook into things and whatnot, and you can access it from all 3 slots.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
is this your sandwich
Lola,
right here?
People want to get an idea of how big this is. I mean, this thing is so big.
That's right.
You can walk through and climb in there. I mean, that thing's huge. What is this?
This is your sandwich of the outside, right?
Wow.
You've got Asdale on the inside, Asdale on the outside. You've got a 2-inch thick wall with fiberglass on the outside and fiberglass on the inside.
That's pretty neat.
Again, no seams, no places for it to leak on you. And notice that you have all of these powder-coated steel accessories, including the ladder, which is simply bolt on, bolt off if something happens to it. And
this is a solid ladder.
If you were to crawl up on top,
you
would see 400 watts of solar up on top.
Nick.
True air conditioner.
Yeah.
400 watts of solar,
inverted
true AC.
15,000 BTU AC.
That's pretty cool.
So
That's awesome. There you go.
Yes, the camera's there too.
Yeah, there's cameras out here.
and as we walk around, you have a tremendous amount of battery support for this unit. You have 480 amp hours of lithium batteries insulated with an option of adding a third 240 amp hours. So you can go up to 720 amp hours of lithium.
So that's almost like cassette style on the battery. Like
That's
you
a
can pop that out.
tremendous amount.
Or
Yeah,
you
with
add
your-
to it.
Oh, that's Expion. I like Expion
with
too.
the edge, that's
Yeah.
right. That's what
Is there
we're
a
going to
generator in
across
here?
the board. There is as well.
Okay.
And it's a 2500 LP generator, and that's
Okay.
just for the LP Quick Connect, because everything else is all electric
Wow.
in this coach. Right over
That's
here.
pretty
So
cool.
You got inverted AC.
So how long is this?
A little over 25 feet.
25 feet.
Yeah.
Okay.
And take a look inside. It actually has a dry bath, a
Let's
usable
jump in real quick.
bathroom.
So you're saying your generator will not run off of the diesel engine; it'll run off of LP.
I mean, this
It
is
has-
nice.
it has its
This
own
is
LP
really
tank.
comfortable
Yeah.
right here.
Okay.
I like how bright it is in here, Doug. I feel like because everything's fiberglass.
That's right. You got glass up on the top, nice lighting throughout.
Yeah.
You got a love seat that's power. You have a jump seat that's power.
Huh.
So these can come together, make into a bed. In addition to your two twin beds that are huge back there, that also makes into a king.
Yeah. I see a true air
mattress back
conditioner.
here. That's right.
Bathroom is much bigger than a lot of the other RVs this size. So even getting in the shower here, moving around, you got headspace.
For a side bath, this is awesome.
You don't see this size bathroom in this size
No.
RV a lot.
You know what's funny? You still have hip room out here to walk through.
So there's a 50-gallon freshwater tank,
Correct.
30-gallon black tank,
More than that, actually, and a 41-gallon gray.
40.
Wow.
That's a lot. A
For a
lot.
little B plus like this with no
Yes.
slides, nothing to go wrong.
Yeah.
Like I said,
Conve-
thick
I didn't even notice
was
there's on a slide in here. Like it feels so roomy.
No,
Oh,
right.
is there a slide?
No.
No slide.
Convection
Oh,
microwave.
Okay.
Nice big fridge. Yeah, I like this a lot.
Plenty of room back in there. For
And then
two
you
big
got
twins.
twin beds. This kind of reminds me of the Echo, Doug. This floor plan back here.
Look how nice those mattresses are with the
Yeah.
the quilted top, the dark ticking, how comfortable they are. Of course, that opens up to
Yeah,
make this
very
all
nice
into a
mattresses.
king. Lights on both sides. You're going to have outlets and USBs on both sides.
I like this fiberglass wall.
So
The white roof
it
is
makes
really
you feel
good, yeah.
secure.
Yes.
Yeah.
It makes you feel secure.
Yeah, this is great. Big windows. I like the big windows everywhere. So, nice big awning style window there, dual pane acrylic. The lighting's really neat. This is neat.
What I like is everyone's different on this. I prefer the choice of putting the AC here versus putting it right over the bed. That's me.
Where do you like it better?
I like it right here.
Yeah.
Yeah, I prefer it here than because if it's right over you when you're sleeping, it could be too much.
Dries you
So I
out.
like this. Yeah.
It dries you out and it's loud.
running and it's pretty quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Trim AC is the best on the market, I think.
Do you have a little bread box here? Let's see. Okay.
like
I don't know
for-
if we can look in there.
Even underneath
For
that
electronics.
mattress
Oh, that's
over
like-
there, you got a little storage.
Oh, that's
back
cool.
there. Got all
Nice.
these little cubbies that.
God,
Yeah.
I like how you guys style this. Very
Tons
nice.
of
This is-
storage. Doug, this should be a home run, man. I like it.
So
Thank
this
you.
is
We,
prototype, right?
That's correct. This is the very
Look at
first
that.
one we
Hey,
made.
Lola, check this out.
And this dog will hunt. And it's
So
for
when
sure.
will Sunshine see these?
He will see
At the
these.
dealership.
We're going to try to have him there in time for his show in Ocala.
Oh, March.
If not sooner.
Okay.
If not sooner.
Okay.
But every dealer is going to want, this particular model.
I like
we
it.
don't care about every dealer, Doug. We only care about one dealer.
That's correct. We're talking
There
about
you
Sunshine,
go.
right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so this is what's brand new from Dynamax.
Yeah.
We'll walk out here and finish it in
You
front of
have
the beauty.
nicer dual pane acrylic windows
Yes.
with shades, integrated shades inside and out.
Black Mercedes wheels. I
That's
like
all these
those.
standard.
So
Yeah,
this is
it's all
all-wheel
standard.
drive. I think you said that
I
already.
like the
but
black
let's
wheels,
reiterate.
all-terrain tires.
Yeah. Okay.
That's the only way we'll build it.
So, Doug, what is the
you
color?
see is what you get right there.
What is this color called, by the way? We were talking
I
about it
believe
earlier.
it's called an Aztec type color. I know
Aztec.
Michael Wagner, my colleague, he designed it, he named it, and if he crosses
I
our
like
path,
desert
we'll ask
mud.
him. So
Desert
I
mud?
think we can be,
How about desert
I think we
Mojave?
can be creative with that.
Mojave.
What's wrong with the mud?
the mud.
You know, but
this
Did you get it from the mud?
We'll get you one that looks just like this.
There we go.
After you drive through the mud, you know, when you go to what's that show you like to go
Burning
to?
Man.
Burning Man.
I was just there. It was great.
Yeah. Okay,
So
you
good.
survived?
I did.
That's surprising.
I did.
Yes. So thanks so much, Doug,
My
for giving us
pleasure.
the details. Thank you. I
I was gonna
appreciate
say,
that.
Straightforward, not a whole lot to go wrong. I'm
There
just
you go.
saying, you know, and people will like the idea of, again, no slide, no multiplex, not a lot of digital type things to think about, just switches on and off, you know, to control your whole coach.
But not
You know, so,
sacrificing. You have all-wheel drive, Mercedes Sprinter,
100%. It's
50-gallon fresh, 40-gallon black, gray, lithium generator, a lot of cool stuff.
Yeah.
and all the high end. That's right.
So cool. So this is some good stuff from Dynamax this year. This is, you know, we're here at Open House, kind of going through some of Hank's favorite vans.
Yes. I'll let you wrap it up since you have the mic. It's all you.
I do have the mic.
Yeah, there you
Where's
go.
my little black mic I was carrying?
Make sure you when he leaves, you still have your microphone.
So
when he goes,
check out all of Dynamax's. So I don't know, how do you wrap it up, Hank? I mean, this is it.
This is
all the great stuff.
If you want to see more from the show, we're here at the Open House, the 2025 Open House in Elkhart. Obviously, this is not open to the public.
This is not. Call Hank on his cell phone at 352. Oh no, I can't get that out.
You don't even know it. But we are going to get a lot of coverage to you guys, so whenever you see this, just check the channel for the rest of the stuff.
There we go.
And this will be at Sunshine State RV coming up
Coming soon.
Pretty soon.
Let's keep walking.
Yeah, we're out of here. We'll see you. Peace.